Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a 12-year-old boy was among 6 persons shot and injured at an illegal party in Grove Place, Manchester last night. As Kalisha Williams reports, the patrons initially thought the gunman was a police officer.
Investigators combing this bar in Grove Place, Manchester for clues hours after a daring gun attack. We were told a party in session here was disrupted when a man exited a car brandishing a gun and proceeded towards the DJ. It said the man fired several shots at the DJ, who started to run.
Selected him run around the corner and the gunman end up around the corner shooting at him same way. And then after that, they rushed in our vehicle and head for the hospital.
But it was the way in which the attack was carried out that has left one of the victims in shock. He told TVJ News no one moved when the man exited the car with the gun because they thought he was a police officer.
So we know more time police come in plain clothes and in private vehicle. So we don't expect it to be a gunman at the time. And if might be more than one, it jump out. I would have suspect at the time it's a gun, but or one person just walk out like that. It seems like a police thing.
He said it was the explosions that sent patrons scampering. During the fracas, 6 persons, including a 12-year-old boy, were shot. 4 of them are still in hospital. TVJ News understands one of the victims is in a critical condition.
I get a minor injury. The doctor says a minor injury. But I think other people get 1 or 2 shots from getting them belly. I think one getting his shoulder. The next guy getting his leg on the way up. The gunman, I think I hear that one of the bike man ride off and stop the car and slow down in the car passing and ask him what unfold up there, and the man shoot him in the shoulder.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.